This week, Jenny asks, I know that high quality skincare is worth the investment, but how much product do you actually need? Jenny, the thing about skincare is you want to keep it simple. Typically speaking, you'll have about 5 main skincare products, which may sound like a lot, but some will be for morning and some will be for night. Besides your cleanser, which I personally like to have 2 different types depending on what's going on with my skin, I always recommend that you have a prevention, a protection, and a correction product. So something like a vitamin C, an SPF with broad spectrum, and a retinol product. Everything can be customized to address other issues, oiliness, hydration, things of that nature. So just schedule an appointment with one of our estheticians and we'll get you on a customized home care program.